Okay, so this is the one I just showed you a while ago. This is 5-volt 2 ampere original Samsung power adapter, power charger for mobile phones. So it has got UK standard and US standard. So we got 3,000 in stock, and the price is very awesome. It's amazing price. If you're interested, please ask for price and comment below, and I will DM you the price. Okay. And we got some stock for Nokia mobile chargers as well. Nokia mobile chargers. It has got micro connector. Usually Nokia mobiles are charged with micro connectors, and some old models of Samsung mobile also needs same connector. It's also original Samsung. Right guys, we got 3 types. Okay, we got this one, and we got the US standard, there you go. We got UK standard, US standard, and the old version. But usually this is used for Nokia mobiles, for new bar phones, keypad mobile phones. You can use this charger. And this was with UK standard. I will write down the quantity. If you're interested, let me know. Okay, we got 3 types. 1, 2, and 3. Let me check. It has got 1.2 meter wire. Okay, and the cable is pretty strong. Oh, it's very strong. Yeah, it's very high quality. I cannot damage it, I cannot break it. You see, it had just got the outer skin, but the wire is still there, which means it's a very good quality stuff. Right guys, later I'm going to show you some more items. Okay, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and follow the page for latest products and amazing prices. Goodbye.